are going to help me unbox my Beautylish Lucky Bag. If you don't know what
pull out stuff.
You are gonna help pull out stuff. I feel like I've got a lot of stuff in here. I might have gotten a real lucky one because people get different ones.
Yeah. I need another pillow.
Get on your knees.
Okay.
Get on your knees on my lap. How's that?
Yay!
Okay, oh my goodness, what is that? What is that, John? Is this interesting at all?
Not really.
I got some critiques in that they said it looked like I was a terrible mother for torturing my children and making them be in the video with me. So, are you being held at gunpoint?
No, I'm not being held hostage. Nope.
And I usually have both of my children help me this year. We just have John, but that's okay. He's gonna help me figure out what's in this box to see if I got extra lucky this year. Hang
Probably
tight.
not.
Probably not. You don't have high hopes?
No, I do not.
Last year, Phoenix dipped out on me. This year, John's dipping out on me, and I am alone. Unlike last year, where both my children dipped out on me, I have both of them today. This is Phoenix and John, and we are going to unbox this year's Beautylish Mystery Lucky Bag with you. Hello, my friend. It is our annual Beautylish unboxing. This is the Beautylish Lucky Box. It launches the day after Christmas every year, and I've been unboxing this box with my children since they were very small. Since this one, we had to put on pillows so that he was tall enough in order to fit in the frame.
He was also like out of it halfway through because he wouldn't stop running.
Yeah, that too.
My bad.
That too. That's okay.
My bad, guys.
Okay. You know, you were cute.
It's kind of annoying.
That's
I
okay.
was watching some of the other videos the other day.
You were. So, if you've never met my children, this is Phoenix and John, and they are going to help me unbox my Beautylish Lucky Bag. So, who would like to cut this open? Okay.
Scissors.
Scissors. Be careful.
Okay, aren't you not supposed to do it towards you?
No, because my arm isn't like under it.
Okay.
I got it. I got
Okay.
it.
Now, I want to let you know that my friend Tish unboxed hers, and hers was very light, and it was not impressive, and mine is also very light. So I have very low expectations. My last two lucky bags were really, really good. So I'm due for a bad year. And that's the thing about these is it's always a gamble. You never know what you're going to get.
At least
and
the packaging is cute.
the packaging is cute, and it's just you just take that risk. Some years are good, some years are not, and it just is what it is. That's just part of the experience.
It's just life, guys.
It's just life. This is very cute.
That is
This
very cute.
This is totes adorbs. Let me see if it's focusing. Are you focusing?
No.
No. It's very cute. It's got a little duck, and there's makeup coming out of the box, and it's adorable. So we're gonna go ahead. And since you cut it open, maybe Phoenix will grab the first item.
Okay.
What are the chances there's gonna be something from Good Molecules in here? Probably.
Okay, this is the first thing. Lash and Brow Enhancing Serum.
Ooh, Lash and Brow Enhancing Serum. This is by Plume, and this is something that my friend Tish got. She said this has a 1-star review
Oh.
on Beautylish's website. So we have one thing that Tish got already, so this is not a good sign. We will see, though. We will see. So I will try it, though, because y'all know I have very wimpy lashes, and I can always use a lash serum. I think the retail value on this is over $90.
Wow.
So it's very pricey.
But it's
lash
1 star.
serums typically are. Yeah, but it's 1 star, so I don't know if it works or not. But we'll try it anyway. Worst case, it doesn't do anything. Hope I get at least one like decent sized eyeshadow palette. That would be nice.
I got you some pimple patches.
I got the exact same box as Tish, I bet. She got these too. I do use these, and you use these
I do.
occasionally. Ultra thin hydrocolloid patches to remove impurities and immediately conceal blemishes. And I do really like these, and these will get used. Definitely a low value item. We will see. Okay.
It's okay, guys. Have hope.
Have hope. We're gonna have hope.
It's a lipstick that I may or may not steal because it's red. I don't hear you.
I think you will probably steal it. This is a Manifesto lipstick by HINDASH, and I do really like his formula. It's beautiful. It's soft. It feels good. They're actually sitting over there. I have like 3 or 4 of them that he had sent me in PR, but I do not have the shade. I believe this will.
Oh, that's really pretty.
This is going to be Phoenix's.
That's mine. Thank
Phoenix
you.
is going to take this, so you can have this. It is matte, which you like sometimes. You do the matte every once in a while, so Yes, this belongs to you now.
Bless.
Congratulations. Oh, you know what I realized? The microphone is not in the right place. So hopefully you've been able to hear us.
You can definitely hear me.
I can always, I'll try to finagle it. Okay, John, are you ready to pull something out?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I got you.
All right, I'm gonna move this to the center.
All right, you know what I got you?
Would you get me?
Guess.
What?
NATASHA DENONA Mini Starlette Palette.
Yeah, sure. I like Natasha Denona palettes. And this is a palette that I will use. Sometimes it's nice to have a smaller palette around. And do I need this? No, but I will definitely use it. It's very cute.
Okay.
What you got, Phoenix?
I got Blush and Bloom Cheek and Lip Duo.
Ooh, that's very nice by JOUER, and this is definitely a color that I will use.
Yes,
This I'm excited about. I will definitely use this. It is a very cute color. Let's see. Okay, so yes, this is definitely a color that I will use.
Oh, cute.
It is cute. You know, nothing for you yet.
Yeah, no, I don't think we're gonna get anything.
No, if there's a black eyeliner, you've been indulging in the black eyeliner
True.
lately, so
That is a thing.
yeah. So there might be a skincare product. No, you don't even use skincare
I don't.
products. No,
I could
so-
though, like I could be
Yep.
I could be like a girl boss.
You could be.
You never
Hey, sure. And you know what? Boys can wear skincare too.
True.
Boys can wear makeup too.
That's
Boys
true.
can wear makeup too.
True.
Boys can do anything girls can do.
All right, you like
Don't feel discouraged, boys. You can do things girls can do too.
that's true. That is true. You like hydrating oil.
I do like hydrating oil. It's by VERB and it is their hydrating oil, heat protectant. Oh, this is for hair. So I love this. I will definitely use this. I love VERB as a brand. They do a great job with their products and I can always use a heat protectant. Or you might steal this from me too because do you use a heat protectant?
Yeah.
You should be.
Mhm.
Okay, good.
I do.
Good. Okay, good. So I'm not hating on this as well. Uh-huh. Ooh, it's a bougie brush. This is a Japanese brush by Sonia G. And I believe this is a concealer brush, if I remember correctly. I will probably use this for patting on that setting color that sometimes you put all over your lid after an eye primer. I feel like that would be a good use for this, or under eye powder if I just want targeted under eye powder. So that could be a use for this. And these are very, very nice brushes. They're Japanese brushes. And I think I know what it is. I'm going to whisper to Phoenix
No, you
because I think I know what it is because I think this is Tisha's exact box.
There's more than one thing left.
Oh, there's more than one thing. Oh,
Maybe you forgot.
maybe I
All
forgot
right.
things. Okay.
I'm gonna do the cool one
Okay.
because I'm cool like that. All right,
That's-
luxury palette of pops. It's like an eyeshadow thing. What's
Yeah,
that again? Oh,
it's a
that.
Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. And what did I tell you that was in the box next?
Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette.
Yeah, a little Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. Let's check it out. And I would imagine that this is, there you go, very pinks and naturals. I did get a Charlotte Tilbury palette just like this last year, but it was different shades. And I do really like these
It is
shades.
cute.
I may actually pass this
I
to
like
my
the sparkle.
mom. I think my mom might like this and be able to use this. It's all sparkles, all sparkles. It's very cute. Or would you use this?
I have so many eyeshadow palettes. I think I'm good for now.
You're good for now. Would you use this?
Probably not.
Okay.
But
All right.
that's okay.
Okay, well, it's the thought that
Yeah,
counts.
yeah,
I would love to
always.
share with you, but
It's always the thought,
yeah, it's the thought that
Yeah.
counts. Exactly. All right, is there something else in there?
Might be the last thing.
Okay.
I think this is the last thing.
Okay.
Yes. And we have a hair tie.
A hair tie. It is a slip scrunchie. This is a silk hair tie, and Tish said that these you could only buy in a 3-pack. You can't even buy a single one. I forget what she said the value was on this. So yes, this is exactly what I predicted it would be. It's Tish's exact box, if I remember correct. I don't remember whether she got the VERB hair oil. That sounds a little bit different, but yeah, I was due for a not fantastic box. However, I don't hate it. Now looking at everything, I don't hate it. I think I'm going to get some good use out of the JOUER blush stick, the VERB hair, the pimple patches I will definitely use. You know what? I will probably use everything in here. So that is different than some years where there are things that I won't use.
Yeah.
So at least I have that.
Yeah, you'll use them, but you're not that excited to.
Yes, especially considering I really had my eyes on the Danessa Myricks palette that I saw that would have been really, really nice that I did not get, but that's okay. Children, thank you so much for helping me unbox my Beautylish Lucky Bag again this year. I appreciate you. What do you think of what I got? Do you have any opinions?
I'm excited. I love getting lip products, so I'm good.
And that's a really nice
Yeah.
lipstick, and HINDASH is a doll. Yeah, or what do you think?
Let me run you through what I know.
Okay.
This is a thing, 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 and this is a spray bottle. That's all I got.
Okay,
But
all
you
right.
know,
That's okay. That's all right. And, you know, it looks like I probably won't be showing you a lot of these on camera except for maybe the JOUER Cheek you'll see again, but chances are the stuff is going to disappear into my collection. But like I said, I was due for a dud year. I've gotten great lucky bags in the past couple of years, and it's fine. I'm fine. It's good. I'll just be jealous of other people, and that's okay. That's the risk you take. Well, thank you so much for being here. This was a very fast video.
It was.
You guys are so much better at this than you were when you were little as far as, you know, the efficiency of unboxing this. But I appreciate you being in the video with me. Phoenix is going to be leaving for college in 2 years.
That soon.
So I get one more year.
Oh, yeah.
As long as you're not living with us, we get one more lucky bag unboxing with you before you leave the house.
Guys, maybe I'll come back for the lucky bag box. Like, I'll just come back for that.
just teleport.
This is pretty much the only time you get to see my kids, so
We should do like a live chat. We should just like pop in sometime.
you could.
I
if you
popped in
wanted
with
to.
Delaney once.
Oh,
did?
I was
Yeah.
there too, remember? You should do like a whole live chat with like just us. Exclusive idea, guys.
Okay, well, you have to decide
That'd be
what you
kinda
want to
fun.
talk about.
Right.
What would you
Kinda
want to talk
fun.
about?
I don't know, something.
We'll have to think about that.
Facts.
We'll
But
just-
yeah, I don't have a problem with y'all being
I
on
don't know
live
if I
chat you wanna
trust
be.
you on a live stream.
What's that supposed to mean, huh? What's that supposed I feel targeted. I feel personally attacked. That is an evil thing of you to say.
I trust you.
In front of all of these people. This is I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
All right, y'all. Mad love. Hey,
Guys,
gotta say the
let's get
ending.
together.
My bad, gang.
all right, we got to do the ending that I used to do in every video, and I don't.
Still do it?
I don't not like that. No, it's a little different.
Oh, that's
It's
not
a little
okay.
different.
Okay.
But
Okay.
are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. Mad love, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. That was so 2013.
Guys, I love Mad Love, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Yeah.